matter where you get your news, I'm willing to bet you've heard someone say home prices would fall this year. That's because negative news sells and it spreads fast, but prices didn't crash. And I've got the data to prove it, but don't just take my word for it. Even the experts recognize they got it wrong. This chart shows the 2023 year-end home price forecast from 7 expert organizations. It includes both the original 2023 forecast that released late last year and the latest revision that's available. Here's what I notice when I look at it. All of their original forecasts said prices were going to fall. Those are the ones in red. But look at their current forecasts. You don't see any red, do you? That's because none of them still think prices will fall. They all say that by year-end, prices are going to net flat or show positive growth. That's a pretty significant change. What this tells me is that prices were a lot more resilient than they originally expected, and that's great news. And we forecasted that here at Team Reba. I can help you stay ahead of the next round of negative headlines so we can stop the fear before it starts. I also know exactly what's happening with prices right here in our local market. So let's connect so you have the latest information.